Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is a top roof rack, 200 watts of solar. Figured it'd be a good place to start with this project. It's a 2001 Suburban Chevy. I have everything up and taken apart this back barn doors. And I've just started to run the solar in through here. Put the camera in there, see if it picks it up. Wire goes down here. Kind of tucks in there. And it's these on the bottom. Conveniently, there's a little thing right here to zip tie to on a 01 Suburban or Yukon. And the gland nuts, they're pretty secure. It should do pretty good here. Even if water drips on here, it'll just drip down. I think it'll be okay. So, this piece of donor metal, aluminum. This is gonna be the shape of the fuse panel and control area. So this, in theory, once I get it cut out, this should be, you know, against the window like so, in aluminum, and I'll have to shape and contour and cut till it gets in there all good. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that and hook up this controller and then get the metal cut out, and we'll come back in here in a couple of minutes to see what happens. Now we got our little piece of metal cut out. Let's go see how this is fitting. It's not supposed to fit perfect, remember. This is just like test fit number 1. So yeah, it's like you're gonna have to trim the top down a little or finagle the bottom and bend it so that this lines up more with where it's gonna mount.
Taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough
So, let's catch up for a little bit here. Basically, I've already got the solar panels installed. Didn't really go into detail with that with you guys because that's gonna be different for everybody. But basically, the solar panels are installed. I did not want to drill into the roof, I will say that. So I made these little brackets, welded them up, put a little wedge of wood between, and then I'm using standard solar brackets you can get on Amazon. So basically, that all joins here, parallel, a couple 100 watts, sneaks in through here, so the door can shut and everything. It's coming down here, and You can see it in the bumper right there. So then we'll come down here. Here's the underside of the car. You got the solar coming in here. It's all zip tied in to some gland nuts. There. Those are screwed in and they have a RTV sealant on the other side. Check that out. That's coming in through here. This is like the rear fan unit in a 01 Suburban to 06. So this is all coming in here, okay? Now, let me see, show you the dilemma I'm having. We made this that fits pretty nicely in there. Yeah? Okay. So that's gonna be where we're mounting everything. Gonna have the wires tucked in, coming in through here. Remember, this is the photovoltaic wiring. It's gonna come in and sneak in probably through here and come in. So what we gotta do, we gotta trim this off just like an inch or two, make it tuck in just a little better. And then I have these brackets, right? So I'm gonna figure out how to do something like this. You know, I'll be mounting this to the aluminum, and then I'll have to use some of these pieces down here to kind of wizard something together and make like a custom bracket. So the custom bracket will basically, I'll drill some holes in this panel and then I'll bolt that in here. But that's gonna be tricky, right? So I'm trying to keep it clean, but also make it solid. So yeah, that's where we're at. We'll go play with this, grind down some metal and weld some stuff up into a really weird shape and see what we get, okay?
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me.
Alright, here we are with the bracket I built. And took this bracket and I held it up inside to about where it needs to be, and I traced this after taking it out. You kind of see how this is going to work. The bottom just rests there, top will be mounted. I think it's going to be fine. It's going to be a couple of ounces mounted to this, and so I'll go ahead and get these holes drilled. results. Everything came out pretty clean. If I want to disconnect the photo array or the solar panels, this is the disconnect for that. If I ever want to like add some or do some work on the top. And so yeah, for now, again, it's just trickle charging the lead acid battery, and probably for the next video we'll be hooking up a lithium ion, changing the settings in here, and then changing some of the wires out to some bigger cables to, you know, help accommodate the bigger loads that the lithium ion is going to carry. So anyways, hope you like the video. Please make sure to subscribe, and if you can, leave a comment. I want to know what your thoughts are. What did you like? What didn't you like? Maybe you know about some connectors and things that I don't even know about. I want to hear about it. All right, thanks, appreciate it. Take it easy.